playing with this amazing dinos digging game. Do you like dinosaurs? I do! Let's get started! Look at these dinosaur eggs! They are amazing! How many are there, do you think? Let's count them! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12! Wow! We will use the chisel to scratch their eggs and use this brush to clean away the dust. I'm so excited to get started. Let's get our first egg. Number 1. Wow, that's amazing! What colour is this dinosaur? Yes, it's blue! And do you know what this dinosaur is called? Parasaurolophus. I've got a fact for it. This dinosaur was known for having a strangely shaped skull. Look! Wow, that's amazing! What colour is this dinosaur? This one is red. And do you know what this dinosaur is called? The Tyrannosaurus. I've got a fact for it. This dinosaur was as heavy as a large African elephant. Wow! What colour is this dinosaur? Yes, it's orange. And do you know what this dinosaur is called? Dinosaurus. It was named for its 7-foot long spine. Wow! That is awesome! Wow, that's amazing! What colour is this dinosaur? It's a green dinosaur! And do you know what this dinosaur is called? Stegosaurus. I got an amazing fact. The plates were actually used to cool or warm the animal or to attract mates. That is awesome! Wow! What colour is this dinosaur? It's a brown dinosaur. And do you know what this dinosaur is called? Tyrannosaurus Rex. I got a fun fact. Its arms were tiny and nearly useless. Its jaws were strong enough to crush an animal. Wow, that's amazing! What colour is this dinosaur? This one is red. And do you know what this dinosaur is called
Stegosaurus. I've got a fun fact. Scientists believe these dinos may have whacked each other in the sides with the thick heads.
Wow! What colour is this dinosaur?
Yes, it's a yellow dinosaur.
And do you know what this dinosaur is called?
A Patasaurus. And I've got a fact for it. This dinosaur was a herbivore and was the largest dinosaur to walk on Earth. That is amazing!
Wow! That's amazing! What colour is this dinosaur?
It's a green dinosaur.
And do you know what this dinosaur is called?
Triceratops. I've got a fun fact for it. This dinosaur is a herbivore and it had 800 little teeth.
Wow! What colour is this dinosaur?
It's a black dinosaur.
And do you know what this dinosaur is called?
This dinosaur is called plesiosaur. I've got a fun fact. Its flipper-like limbs made a flying movement through the water.
Wow! That's amazing! What colour is this dinosaur?
This one is red.
And do you know what this dinosaur is called?
Ankylosaurus. I've got a fun fact. Its armour consisted of massive knobs and plates of bone.
Wow! What colour is this dinosaur?
Yes, it's orange.
And do you know what this dinosaur is called?
Tyrannosaurus. I got a fun fact. This dinosaur had rows of spines jutting out vertically from his backbone.
Wow! That's amazing! What colour is this dinosaur?
It's a brown dinosaur.
And do you know what this dinosaur is called?
It's Tyrannosaurus. I've got a fact. It lived about 30 million years before T-Rex, and because of its size, it did not have any natural predators. That is amazing!
Look at these amazing dinosaurs. I love all the different colours. I've had so much fun learning about all these amazing dinosaurs today. If you want to see more videos by me, check out Minsky!